you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So what I have here is a very cheap Chinese watch, which is called Naviforce. The model number is Naviforce 9099. So I bought this online for about 10 bucks USD 10. In Malaysia, Malaysian ringgit, that will be about 46 ringgit. It's really very cheap, but it looks good. It looks fairly decent watch. So what I'm going to show you today is the replacement. This is the original strap from that watch. You can see the Naviforce logo there. But I think this is not the real leather. It's not real leather. This is a PU leather. Okay. So I have ordered this strap from China. So this is in military green, and this is about, the price is about $2. Okay, about $2, which is about 15 ringgit in Malaysia. About $2. It's very cheap, but it's look really decent. Okay, this is what they call a Nato strap. So we just have a look at it. Alright, it looks beautiful. For a $2 strap, this is really incredible. Okay, let's just take it off. There we go. Okay, so this one has what do you call that? Spring bar, quick release spring bar. Okay, so meaning that you can actually take this off anytime you want to. So if you want to change your strap, you can do this fairly quickly. Okay, this is in military green, so wow, it's look good. Now this one is 24, so they're just the same size, 24 millimeter, not 24 inches. This is 24 millimeter, the same size. So normally what we are going to do is to right, so this should be something like this. So we are going to put in, let me just focus that for you. Put in the other end of the spring bar and the one over here. This one's a little bit difficult to do, easier on the Casio, but this one is a bit difficult. Okay, I got it. Now for the second one. It's also the same thing, that is, we are going to, so now it's like this. Okay, because the spring bar must be inside, must be under, so we are going to put it again over there. Oops. Okay, and pull this and wait for it to snap in. Okay, I think it's already snapped in. Look at that. Wow, very nice. Military green, Naviforce, Chinese made. Alright, so let's have a look at it on my wrist. Let's check it. How, look at that. Look beautiful. Look good. Look good. Okay guys, so that's it. So if you like my video, please subscribe and I will see you again in my next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.